we're just gonna go with welcome back. This is gonna be a short afternoon video. My mom was in town for about a week and a half, give or take. My sister had a surgery on her neck, so they cut her neck open like pretty long. Like, I want to say it was at least 6 or 7 inches long. Like, yeah, so I don't know, they cut her neck, like a good chunk of her neck, and they had to go in, get a tumor out. And I guess they found out that the tumor isn't cancerous, or they're still testing it. I don't really know. But this was the last day that my mom was in town. My mom came into town to help her and whatnot. I really didn't even know that she had surgery until like a couple days before. And like throughout her healing and stuff, I was working a bunch. So this was an afternoon that we got to go out, and just my sister got to go out, and she could barely even talk very loud. It was like hard for her to talk, but we got to go out, take the kids, take her son Landon, Cody's cousin, and Cody got to go swim for a little bit. Just a little family adventure. Let's not take too long with this intro. I'm already rambling. Let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe for me. All right, let's jump into it. All right, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Making Magic TV. Making Magic TV, I guess we'll go with that today. We got the family out here. Cody already hopped in his wetsuit. My sister is, I don't know, a week or 2 weeks out of surgery. She actually had a neck surgery. You can see, I don't know, I don't really want to talk about it too much, but she's doing good right now. She's out, she has energy. She had some complications with the healing process, but all I can say is love your family and cherish the moments that you have with them, because you never know what's going to happen from day to day. And for now,
I zipped it by myself.
Awesome, high five. All right, so we are gonna go down, have a little beach day. We got, whoa, big old thing of kettle corn, a couple boogie boards. I'm going in the water. My sister is out here. We got Landon, my mom. We got the new puppy. Hey, the puppy's got a haircut on.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What's up, bud? And yeah, so we're gonna go down, have a beach day. Come along with us. Let's go have some fun. All right, everybody, it's like the tradition with the Pismo Beach soft sand, once you hit the sand, you gotta take your shoes off, especially on a nice afternoon like this, where the sand's like perfect, not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect. And we all got a
feels so good. And we all got a parking in the, yeah, that never happens, really.
It was meant to
Luckily, the people were leaving.
That was so meant to be. Cody, we're here! Woo! Yay!
We're finally here.
We're here. Even Chunk over there came.
I know.
I wasn't sure how she was gonna feel.
This is the best part too, right when you get in the sand, because you're like just feeling it still. God. And like all.
Nene, the sand feels so good.
Does it feel good on your feet?
Hey, there's no other.
Yeah, like I said, it's such a treat to have my sister out here, because knowing what she's been going through the last few weeks, like post-surgery, it's crazy. It probably feels so good for her to be out here feeling the sand in her toes.
Awesome.
And it's just perfect weather, like not too cold yet, not too hot.
No, we got
perfect
today. I thought it was gonna be more colder than this.
The weather never stays perfect for too many days in a row.
I guess right here, and then we have I have 3 big old beach towels in there.
All right, you guys. I'm gonna, get situated. We're gonna go in the water right now.
Here's Cody's jacket, just in case.
I'm gonna freeze my butt off because I didn't bring my wetsuit, but it's all right. Landon's gonna go in. I'm gonna go in. It's gonna be a good time. Just gonna have to get used to it, old school style. All right, Cody's taking off. I'm gonna go catch up there with him. Look at Landy go.
There's a lot of people in the water right now.
Man, I miss being that age. It feels like just yesterday I was that age. And my mom used to bring me and I would be so excited to be running around, jumping, playing in the water without a wetsuit, just playing and playing.
It's from your dad's. I just grabbed a couple.
All right, stay tuned, you guys. Talk to you guys in a minute. It's super cold. It's so cold. Hey, Cody, you better be careful. The waves are big today. Hey, put that leash on. Oh my God, you guys, this is cold. Woo-hoo, this is cold. Yeah, get your leash on. Woo-hoo. Oh my God, get in here and get your leash on. Oh my God, the water is numbing my feet.
It's not numbing.
My feet are numb.
My feet are numb.
My feet are so numb.
No, mine are. Look, Doggy, want to get on here? I'll take you for a cruise.
Is this the first time the dog's been to the beach?
Taking the Avila.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Oh, Landy, got you. I got Landon.
I brought one close.
Just let him dry off for a second. He'll get... Let me help you with that. Let me put it on all the way. 'Cause that'll save your life. Do you remember how to boogie board or what?
Yeah, I know how to
Catch a small one so you can get used to it. And then catch a bigger one. There's actually a lot of current right now. You gotta be careful. It's really strong. Stronger than normal, I'm serious. I kinda gotta go pee, so might as well go in here, I guess. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cold. Should I do it, you guys, for YouTube? Should I do it for YouTube? Woo! Do it for Gabe's World?
Yeah.
Who's Gabe's World? Is he a YouTuber? Do it for Juicy.
No, this isn't the one.
No, that's not the one.
This is the one. This is the...
Dude, the waves are big for you today, I feel like.
Now they're giant.
They really are.
God.
Whoa. Oh! Oh! So cool. Hell yeah. This dude's ripping it. Shredder, bruh. Get it, Cody, get it. This is it. Go. I promise that was the one. This is it. Let's go, baby. Go. Ah, what happened? That was too small? That was huge. What are you talking about? That thing was a bomb. That was a bomb. In the words of Ben Gravy himself. Oh, let's go under this one. Let's go for YouTube. Ah! I can't do it, you guys. I can't do it. It is too gnarly. That is gnarly. That is gnarly, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! All right, I guess I'm used to it now, so might as well just keep doing it. Woo! Woo! All right, love you guys. I gotta go find Cody, go make some more magic happen with him. Talk to you guys in a bit. Get it, get it, get it. That's it. Oh, you gotta stay with it. Oh man, it is so nice out here today. Once you jump in, it's like so amazing. I can tell there's a little bit of south in the water because it's not too cold. Cool little family, quick afternoon beach day. I just want to say, like, if there's anyone out there just gives who's super spiritual, I like to think that I am with the ocean, as far as like the ocean and nature and fishing and that stuff. So I feel like I'm super connected, but if anybody else is out there that's super connected, wants to say some prayers for my sister, her neck surgery, super gnarly. Cody's about to get a big one. Woo! Good job, good commitment. Stay with it, stay with it. This is it. Woo! Try it again, again, again. Get this one. Woo! That one took him a little bit. Oh man, super cool. I think he's stoked on that one. Look at it take off. It's super rough especially for him, the little guy. There's a weird little like south swell current, like a weird like yeah. He's like, whoa. Poor doo-doo. Say hi. Hi. It's cold though. You gotta get used to it. I just jumped in, so yeah, I just went for it. But I'm numb right now. I'm for sure numb. I feel good now that I jumped in a couple times. Hi, Pop. How are you doing? How are you doing? You like the beach? Yeah? No fleas for you, huh? No fleas in the salt water. No way, no how. Yeah, I know, it's super. I know. It's like a lot of undertow and stuff. Right here. Yeah, I can see it going like that. I think it's because the tide must be coming up too, like high tide. So right now for like an hour or two, it's gonna be kind of like this, like real big waves, all in the little, just like, yeah. Look at, there he goes, he's all happy. He loves it. Oh shit. I gotta go tell her I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Sorry.
That one was so big.
Watch out, bail next time you're gonna hit somebody. You gotta just jump off.
My eyes weren't open.
Your eyes weren't open.
Water in my eyes.
High five, that was a good one.
That was a really good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! High five. Now there's no stopping. There's no stopping.
I know, he's just going off. And he was like barely hanging on because it's so rough. That's funny. Our Landy. I'm surprised he's out here in this, actually. I haven't really taken him out that much in this kind of roughness, but I mean, the only way to do it is to just go out there and get used to it. That's the only way you learn. Hi, doo-doos. Yeah, the water got you on. It's cold. Andy. Oh my God, look at Cody out there far. I need to be out there with him. Whoa, it's deep. Woo! Yeah! That was a solid one. That was a solid little ride. He was like barely in that thing. Watch out, it's gonna get you. That was a solid little ride. Better get up. All right, charging the gnar. Got his first nosebleed. Did you hit the sand on the bottom?
Yeah.
You hit the bottom with your nose?
That's an old towel.
You're all
I
right.
hit it with my nose.
Oh, it went down a little bit.
Charging the gnar. Got his first nosebleed. I want to say, like, I don't think I've ever got a nosebleed. Maybe once surfing. But no, it's gnarly out there. You okay, Cody, though? You're all right. It'll stop right now.
Stop.
Just give it a second.
Hold that on there.
Ooh, yeah, hold it on there.
Hold it on there. I didn't bring
Hold it on there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I brought anything either. Just hold it there. Hold it there. You're gonna have to stay out for 10 minutes until it stops bleeding. That might help.
It's not a whole lot, but I mean.
No, just give me
These are
one.
from your house. Just to kind of hold it.
Hold it there. Hold this there. Just hold it. Don't move it. You gotta hold it there. All right. I don't know, a handful, like 10 waves in maybe. And yeah. Oh, somebody's up, got a decent wave. Looks like some fun ones out there. I don't know. Anyways, give you guys an update in a minute here. Feel all right though? Does it hurt? Hurts a little bit. Well, the waves were kind of strong.
They're strong, but boy, you were really kicking butt out
You were, yeah,
there.
getting them.
Kick butt out there. You didn't have
You'll be all right. Oh boy, you did get a bleeder.
Yeah. Okay.
That wave got you, Dodo, but you're all right. You'll be all right. Minute, but the nosebleed stopped. Everybody's having a good time. All in all is well in the world.
Oh, look at the water. I like to look at the water. It's pretty. Hey, we're lucky it's not freezing down here.
I know.
I thought it was going to be.
The dog's funny, having a good time, the little puppy.
I wanted to get the kids down here. Get their fix, you know.
Landon's so funny that he's just excited. I know it's summertime now.
Yeah, it is. Like I told myself, when you look that way, and then you look this way, there's a lot of people out here. A lot of people for this time.
They are. You opened the clam?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is this a pearl?
Somebody put a clam up here? No, that's the clam. That's the meat.
Look.
That looks like it was already broken. You tell the shell was like half broken. Oh my gosh. Yeah, somebody must have had it.
Dada and
Oh, that is crazy how the fog is just coming in slowly but surely. You ready to take it off? Let me go with you. We have to go rinse it. We have to go rinse and stuff. I'll take him up there real quick, and then I'll bring him back in his towel. He can change back down here if anything. All right, hurry up, get out of there now. You're good. You rinsed off enough.
now my feet.
You look good now. The sand looks like it's off as much as it's gonna be.
This is my frog part.
All right, come on. You got an audience here.
Where I'm looking over here. Oh, look at Callie over there. You know?
And Cody's still thawing out.
Yes.
Yeah, that was perfect.
He
Perfect.
brought t-shirts and I brought him underwear and stuff in the car.
Perfect little beach session.
Yes, it was a little beach time.
Cody's out of his wetsuit, running around. Gonna get it all sandy again. Stoked that the kids are having fun. It's a treat to be with my mom and my sister out here. Never get to, just because my mom lives a few hours away, don't get to see her that much and just do this. She used to live up here. This used to be a, weekly occurrence if we wanted to, but
And I'm coming home.
yeah, it's a beautiful day. Can't wait to come out here and do this again this summer because it is summertime. So we got plenty of days ahead of us. But thanks for hanging out. Hope you guys like this one. I might do one more check-in on the walk up. I might not. But we played. This is a short and sweet little afternoon beach session. We played with the pup. The pup got to play. And stretch his legs. The kids got to play. We might go have some pizza after this, so maybe stay tuned for that. I don't know. We'll see.
You saying hi?
All right, they found a ditch. Let's see what they found over here. We're about to leave, but they don't want to leave yet, per usual.
Yeah. These are great pictures.
Heck yeah.
Cody, stand by your dad, Cody. Cody, turn around. Stand by your dad. Yes,
Do this.
that's Mario. No, not a monster face. Smile, Lisa. Send it to Grandma. Smile. Cody. Smile for Grandma.
No, take a picture. Take
Get in there, Cody.
Tell me when you're gonna take the picture.
Look up here. Come on, show me.
Tell me one, okay? I'm gonna take the picture.
Oh, here comes the water! Here comes the water! Oh shit! You want me to help her? Oh shit, my hands are full. Well, she got it now, I think. Yeah, I don't want to go grab the baby. The baby's in there though. Look at my sister's like trying to help her. All neck thing and all. And the friends aren't here. She's all here, let me help you. Get the baby out of the water.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That water keeps moving me up there.
Get in there, Landy. Don't get in there, Cody. You're dry already. Cody, you're dry. Please, Cody, you're dry already.
Look at that. Wow, look at how far the water came.
Damn. The poor chick with her baby.
Oh my god, it's deep, it's deep, it's deep.
Who cares about the baby? The baby's fine. So my sister, sorry, my pants are falling down, but my sister just helped save the baby from the water that came freaking flying up. My sister, all neck and all, neck surgery and all, she's grabbing the, pulling the baby out to safety. Oh shit, that's crazy. Yeah, the friends weren't helping. They were just saying, hey, this every everyone for themselves. She was ankle deep though. She was like ankle deep.
Look, there you go.
They're brand new shoes too. Look at it. The freaking shells. And those are expensive. Those are expensive too. Converse, when you're trying to buy them without the Lacey's discount. If you got Lacey's discount, then